when you connect with your super mindset, you are the hero of your own journey. This is the place to be. And this is also the place when you don't project your negative stuff on other people because you don't have it. Yeah, because you are in peace with yourself. And this is the mindset we want to be in to truly connect with others. We need first to clean the mirror, our mirror, to be able to see through it. You know, you cannot drive a car with a dirty mirror because you don't see other cars.
And most people obviously operate under this idea of limited mindsets and okay.
Yes, like maybe an example. Do you go sometimes to a dentist?
Yeah, I've been to dentists.
Yes. So it could be that there are two dentists and they both finish the same university. And you go to one dentist and he has a very nice waiting room, a lot of people waiting, and you go in and the guy is smiling at you, giving you a confident handshake and really knows what he is talking about, describing the treatment, and you just go for it and you have your treatment. He's quite expensive, but you go there. Another dentist, the same experience, the same school. There's something off about his waiting room. Why? Because there are almost no people. You go in and the guy is really kind of on a distance. You don't shake hands with him because he's already busy preparing the equipment for the treatment. And you ask him question about, okay, so what's going on with my teeth? And he is avoiding the answer. He's telling something in medical terms, but it's not really answering your question. And he's not maintaining eye contact with you. Which dentist would you like to?
The first one, I'm not even touching the second one.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And actually the main difference between them was about the mindset.
Yeah.
Because they have probably the same skills, they finished the same university, but the way they think influences the way they act. The body language is different, and also the mindset influence how they make money, how they connect with other people.